Hey everyone, today we'll look at creating the perfect tech pack. What's a tech pack? It's a set of instructions for your supplier to accurately create the garment you've designed. Remember, our mega bundle mockup includes the tech pack file. Here's a simplified example you could send suppliers. It's crucial to send your supplier a well-made mockup. That's why our package has over 235 vector mockups you can modify to your liking and customize with various accessories like zippers, special stitching, and so on. The next step is to clearly specify the fabric and quality you want for your garment. This is key because you can use multiple fabrics in one item. For hoodies, it's trendy to use cotton mixed with polyester to cut costs. But for higher quality, you can make a hoodie with 100% cotton. It's key to know cotton quality varies by weight. In America, it's measured in ounces, while in Europe, it's GSM. Here's a comparison. 8 ounces is 271 GSM, 10 ounces is 340 GSM, 12 ounces is 406 GSM, 14 ounces is 474 GSM, and 17 ounces is 600 GSM. The unit you use depends on your supplier. American use ounces, European use GSM. What's the difference? Simply the specific weight of the hoodie. An 8 ounces hoodie is lighter, while a 14 ounces one is heavier, thicker, and better for winter. Another crucial point is the measurements. As you can understand, providing a detailed diagram of your garment's measurements ensures the supplier can create it accurately. That's why we recommend giving measurements for all parts of the garment: shoulders, chest, sleeves, pockets, and so on. We also advise specifying label measurements, whether printed or sewn. An often overlooked aspect is seam instructions. As you can see here, besides indicating the seam type, we help our supplier with a visual example. It's recommended to use images extensively. As you can see, even for the fabric part, we prefer to use visual references. This helps clarify our requirements better. The stitching aspect is often underestimated, especially by novice designers. But there are many types of stitches that can add subtle details. Understanding these can greatly enhance the final product. It's crucial to pay attention to these small details, as they can significantly impact the overall quality. That detail that makes your garment unique. This tech pack example doesn't include graphics. If you create garments with graphics, you'll need to specify the graphic details like dimensions and colors. To create your perfect tech pack, give your supplier as many details as possible. The advantage of the file in the Mockup Bootleg Art Lab package is that it's fully editable. If you need more space to provide more information, you can create as many pages as you want by duplicating the worksheet for a new page. You can also resize various elements and text to make room for additional details like colors. This ensures the supplier creates the garment you envisioned from the start. That concludes the tech pack tutorial. Check out our Instagram page and website, both linked in the description. The 80% off Mockup Bootleg Art Lab Mega Bundle offer is still on. Thanks for watching. See you next time.